In the heart of every community are stories of struggle, resilience, and the pursuit of a better life. In Padre Garcia, those stories were captured through the Community-Based Monitoring System, or CBMS, a powerful tool that listened to every household, counted every voice, and revealed the challenges that numbers alone cannot explain. Understanding the immense value of this effort, the Sangguniang Bayan of Padre Garcia took a decisive step. On April 1, 2019, through Resolution Number 41-2019, they created the Committee on Census, Survey, and Statistics, a body dedicated to upholding the integrity and usefulness of local data. This committee wasn't just formed to oversee numbers. It was established to safeguard the voices behind them, ensuring that no one in the community would be invisible. CBMS data showed that for many of our youth, quality higher education remained out of reach. And so, we responded. In 2023, through Ordinance Number 42-2023, we established the Padre Garcia Polytechnic College, or PGPC, a public institution built for both Garcianos and non-Garcianos. It opened with the goal of bringing affordable, accessible, and relevant education right here in our hometown. Currently, more than 1,500 students are enrolled in courses like Bachelor of Public Administration, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Computer Science, and Management Accounting. With PGPC, Padre Garcia became a place where dreams don't have to leave home to come true. The data also revealed what we feared but needed to confirm. Many of our bedridden elders, persons with disabilities, and vulnerable individuals were suffering in silence, unable to visit health centers, yet desperately in need of care. Thus, the Doctor program was born. Armed with 2 medical transport vehicles, an ambulance purchased through Resolution Number 31-2024, and a patient transport unit donated by a Resolution Number 71-2024, the program brings doctors, medtechs, and free medicine right to people's homes. Blood pressure readings, sugar tests, diagnostics, and checkups are done on site. And when the results are in, a doctor visits to offer formal consultation and prescribe treatment without the patient ever leaving their home. Another painful truth emerged. Countless residents were traveling far, spending what little they had, and waiting long hours just to receive dialysis treatment. In response, the LGU established the Padre Garcia Dialysis Center, made possible through Resolution Number 47-2024, in partnership with the private sector. The facility now houses 20 state-of-the-art dialysis machines, set in a clean, fully air-conditioned, and patient-centered environment. Reclining treatment chairs, high-efficiency equipment, and a compassionate medical team create a space where healing feels possible, and treatment is completely free. The CBMS also echoed a shared frustration: long-distance hospital travel and long queues in nearby cities. That frustration is now being answered. By the end of 2025, the Padre Garcia Community Hospital will open its doors. A modern 57-bed facility, the hospital is designed for healing and dignity. It will feature emergency care units, general wards, private rooms, pediatric and maternity sections, diagnostic laboratories, and a full complement of doctors, nurses, and allied staff who embody the Garciano brand of Malasakit. This hospital isn't just a building. It is a beacon of hope, built where it's needed most. And when treatment requires medication, the Padre Garcia Municipal Pharmacy ensures that Garcianos never walk away empty-handed. From antibiotics to maintenance meds and vitamins, essential medicines are given for free to all individuals. Another insight from CBMS was clear: oral health was often neglected, especially in remote areas. To address this, the LGU accepted a mobile dental bus donated by the Department of Health via Resolution number 80-2020. Today, that fully equipped clinic on wheels brings dental services right to the people. Through the Dentista sa Barangay program, residents receive free checkups, extractions, and treatments, all performed inside a clean mobile dental unit staffed by licensed professionals. No travel, no cost, just service delivered with a smile. CBMS didn't just count illnesses or distances. It captured hardships in its many forms. Students unable to pay for school, families skipping meals, breadwinners hospitalized, and loved ones laid to rest without means for a proper burial. To meet these urgent needs, the LGU strengthened the assistance to individuals in crisis situations. This multi-pronged program offers educational assistance, medical assistance, food assistance, and burial assistance. Complementing this is the medical assistance for indigents and financially incapacitated patients, where the LGU, in coordination with national government partners, provides guarantee letters to cover partial or full hospital expenses, ensuring that no Garciano is ever denied care due to lack of funds. And lastly, CBMS showed us the silent struggles of those who wanted to work but are lacking capital and opportunity. From that need, the Comprehensive Enterprises and Livelihood Sustainability Agenda was born in 2019. Through CELSA, groups of at least 25 residents form cooperatives and are granted startup capital for their chosen livelihood. Today, more than 80 CELSA groups thrive across Padre Garcia, continually empowered by livelihood seminars, skills training, and market access support. Many have already grown from humble beginnings to sustainable and profitable enterprises. Each of these programs is more than a policy. They are acts of compassion, shaped by real data and driven by real needs. Thanks to the CBMS, the local government of Padre Garcia has been able to move from assumption to action, from planning to transformation. Because in Padre Garcia, data is not just analyzed, it is felt. And progress is not just measured, it is lived. A true testament to lahing Garciano, disiplinado at mabuting tao, ipinagmamalaki ko.